So hey everyone and welcome back to another new video, and in this video today I will be unboxing these 1/43 scale Diecast model of the Porsche 911 Carrera S by Welly, and this is the first 143 scale model on this channel. And I bought these models from an Instagram page called Life 1N Scale. If you want to buy this, you can contact them. And yeah, this model is really great in terms of quality and detailing. And you can also follow me on Instagram on _RPM_Redlines for daily updates. And let's continue with the cinematic video. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye bye. Take care.